Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Valorant error code, and the error code is connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. Error code WAN 185. So if you're getting this error code WAN 185 in Valorant game, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Valorant server status. You can go to this down detector website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this down detector website, scroll down and here you will see the graph. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. Now if their server status is online and if still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. Fix one is to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to disconnect all controllers, console controllers as well. Disconnect unnecessary input devices that are connected to PC. If Bluetooth connected, then disconnect Bluetooth devices from PC, and then you can launch the game and check. Now this fix has solved the issue for many players, so you can try this one and check. Fix 3 is to flushdns. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one and paste it over here and then hit enter. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. I have provided this code in my video description. So copy it and then paste it over here and then hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the fourth code, paste it over here, hit enter. And copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this tab and then just restart your PC. Don't ignore the system, just restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to start VGC Service, run Valorant, and while it is loading, set vgc.exe priority to real time in task manager. So in Windows search type services and open the services. Now here in the services, look for VGC. Here it is. Right click on it and then select properties, and from the starter type select automatic and click on start. Just wait for it, and when it is done, click on apply. OK, then launch the Valorant game. And while the Valorant game is launching, open task manager. So right click on the taskbar and then click on task manager. Then go to the details tab and here look for the vgc.exe. Here it is. Right click on it and then set priority to real time. And after setting the priority to real time, then your problem will get solved. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 5 is to connect to VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, etc. and then check. If already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Valorant error code WAN 185 in Valorant game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.